What's this? Busy, my friend! Where are you? Come on, help me!
Hey friend, good morning. What is the reason for your joy? Got any good news?
Oh, Busy! Don't irritate me! Look at my hair!
Did you apply my nectar on your hair to get the silver lining?
What? I never knew applying honey will make my hair grey. But I didn't do that. You are in a mood to make fun out of me, but I'm not. Only my granny has this type of hair. My friends are going to tease me.
Relax, buddy. I have a lot of ideas to turn your hair black. First, listen to this. Honey turns your black hair white. An enzyme called glucose oxidase is present in honey. Glucose oxidase breaks down glucose sugars and generates hydrogen peroxide, which is a kind of bleach. It can lighten your hair color.
I'm not ready to learn any facts. I need to get ready. I want my hair back.
Akash, be cool. Enjoy your shower. See you at the breakfast table.
Mom, I can eat this, but can you prepare me some crispy bread toast with jam?
But dear, I trust you. Eat these. I will get you the bread toast.
Yes, Mom. Hi, Auntie. How are you?
I'm fine, Akash. How are you?
Hey Akash, you have thrown your remedy outside.
What?
Simple, Akash. You got this grey hair because you don't eat healthy food. These millet balls taste good. It's also good for health. Millets are rich in proteins and vitamins. Jaggery has enormous health benefits, and it's an ideal sweetener which contains protein, vitamin B12, B6 and iron. All these foods will maintain the stem cells in hair follicles to produce melanin, which in turn will protect your hair color.
Buzzy, stop this. Auntie, is that true?
Yes, he is absolutely right, my dear Akash. Always eat more green leafy vegetables. Give rest to your mobile and work to your physical health. Go outdoor and expose your body to sunlight. That secretes a lot of melanin, which helps in maintaining your skin and hair color.
Also, shampoos have harsh chemicals which lead to depletion of minerals, melanin, and oil produced by oil glands. Always use herbal shampoos using aloe vera. Apply hand press sesame oil and egg yolk.
Oh, are there any millet balls left on the table? Yes.
That's good, Akash. Keep doing this. If you do so, you will get your hair color restored soon.
Wow, you look fresh in the salt and pepper look. Don't lose hope. Follow this for a few months and you'll be back on track.
I completed my healthy breakfast. Let's go outdoors. Come on. Don't worry, friends. Don't be afraid of getting grey hairs. Eat healthier food like me, and you can easily get rid of those annoying grey hairs. Don't believe these myths. If you pluck a grey hair, you will get 7. Not at all. Stress can turn your grey overnight. No way. If you stand in too much sun, you go grey. Not true, friends. Enjoy playing outdoors. Stay confident. Have a good day.
Get to watch interesting videos like this by subscribing our channel, and don't forget to like and share.